Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video, we will learn how to add pages into the WordPress. Adding pages is similar to adding posts in WordPress. Pages are static content and often do not change its displayed information. To add pages, click on Pages. After that, click on Add New. After that, you will get the editor page as you can see on the screen. The editor page has two tabs, Visual and Text. You can insert text in either of these. Here, we'll study about inserting text into visual format. Title. It is used to write the title of the article, which is later displayed on the page. Permalink shows the potential URL for the page below the title. The URL generates as per the given title. It is a WYSIWYG editor, which is similar to a word processor interface where you can edit the contents of the article. Paragraph. Selects the headings as required for the text from the drop-down. Bold button. Used to bold your font. Italic. Used to italicize the font. Bullet list. Adds bullets to content. Number list. Adds numbers to the list of the content. Block quote. Quotes the text. Left align. Sets the content on the left side of the page. Center align. Sets the content on the center of the page. Right align. Sets the content to the right side of the page. Add link. Adds a link to your content. When you click on this button, it will display pop-up screen. Like this. URL. Enter URL you want to link. Link text. Insert text you want to enter into the link. Open link in a new window. Open your link page into the new tab or window. Check the box as required. Or link to existing account. Links to an existing content page by selecting the page from the given list. When you click on existing page, then you get a link created in the URL section. Remove link. Deletes the particular link added for text or content. Read more tag. Adds read more tag to your page. Toolbar toggle. Clicking on this, you get another list of toolbar. Strike through. Strikes through the content. Horizontal line. It creates a horizontal line between sentences. Text color. Sets color for words or sentences. Paste as text. Pastes your text. Clear formatting. It will clear formatting of the text. Special character. Inserts special characters needed in your content. Decrease indent. Decreases the indent of the page. Increase indent. Increases the indent of the page. Undo. Reverses the most recent editing command. Redo. Opposite of undo, restores the most recent editing command. Keyboard shortcuts. It will display the keyboard shortcuts. Publish. To publish the page to the user on the website. Page attribute. Page attributes module allows you to select the parents for your particular page. You can also set order of the pages. Parent allows you to select parent page. Order sets the order of the page. Featured images. Includes the images in the pages. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in next video. Goodbye.